Hi guys, today we are going to be taking a look at how to use your new vaping kit for the first time. This video is aimed for those who are just starting their vaping journey, so we will make sure that this video is as user friendly as possible. In this video we'll be covering every aspect of Dominus, this particular vape that we've got here. We'll unbox this first and see what we've got in there. That's the battery mod, that's the atomizer. Let's see what we've got down there. So we've got a couple of certificates, a couple of drip tips, a battery, an extra coil, a charging cable, and a couple of shock absorbers. So we'll install the battery in this one first. That's the atomizer, that's the battery mod. I'll take the battery out. So as you can see, this side, the flat side of the battery is the negative side and this is the positive side. And we just need to make sure that we install it correctly, because otherwise it might short circuit the vape. On the cap here it says the negative side. And this is a 18650 battery. So we'll install it accordingly. There we go. Now before we install the atomizer, we prime the coil first. So we'll open it up from here. We'll unscrew it. We'll put around 2 to 3 droplets of flavor inside the coil so that it's nicely soaked, so cotton is not dry enough. It's done. So next time whenever the coil has burnt and you want to change it, just unscrew it from here and just put the new coil and you're good to go. So put the glass, unscrew it, screw it. Again, make sure this is nice and firm. Then when we want to refill it, we'll open it up from here and refill the flavor around the coil. Just like that. So these are nice little screws. If we don't screw them nicely and firmly, the vape won't work, and it might say on the screen that check your atomizer. We'll screw it. Now this is all set up and ready to go. So how do we actually turn on this vape? This is the 5 button right here. We would press that 5 times consecutively to turn it on, and do the same to turn it off. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It says hello on the screen. So in the screen you can see as to at what wattage the vape is at, what's the battery life, and what's the size of the coil. So these 3 little things that you get in there. Now these 2 buttons are to increase your wattage and to decrease the wattage. So if you keep on pressing this button, the wattage keeps on increasing. And same if you do that, if you press this lower button, the wattage just keeps on decreasing. So whatever you're comfortable with, just set your wattage accordingly and then just start vaping, guys. Only thing that you need to remember is as soon as you smell this burning thing in the coil, it means that it's time for your coil, it's time for you to change your coil and get a new one. And again, whenever you put it in your pocket, just make sure that it's off, the vents are closed, and it's just good to go. Thank you.